Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to get refund of life tax in Karnataka. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com as well as the page Karnataka refund of lifetime tax. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to us for creating more videos. In this page, we have given detailed procedure along with information and instructions for user to follow and complete. Also, you can use the links provided here for different forms and different websites to help us in completing the procedure. The importance of these links will be known to you in the due course of our presentation. Also, user can select the language of his choice from the drop down menu as you select the select language tab from the top right corner of our page to understand the procedure in your own language of choice. List of items covered in this session today: need to refund of lifetime tax, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. Today this procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com. Let us find the need for refund of lifetime tax. In the case of a motor vehicle for which the tax has been paid for any quarter, off year or yearly or for lifetime, the vehicle which has not been used on any public road or a continuous period of not less than 1 month within the above period, refund of tax paid for such period of non-use shall be made at the rate specified by the government. Basically, you have paid the tax for using the vehicle on a public road, and there are time where you have not used the vehicle. Maybe you are out of the actual residential area, or for any other reason you may be not using the vehicle. Then you can claim that refund. Re-registering vehicle in other state has to be claimed for the refund of tax paid in the original state. Meaning, if you have a vehicle in Karnataka and you are going to register the vehicle in other state like Tamil Nadu, then the tax paid in Karnataka can be refunded. Note the period of use of a motor vehicle on a public road without carrying any passengers for the purpose of moving it from one depot to another or from one workshop to another for carrying out repairs shall not be considered as used on any public road, and such period may be taken into account for computing the period for which the vehicle has not been used in public road. This is basically, the road is actually not running on the road, so this is the basic idea of how the calculation goes, so that the user will be having the norms in order to apply for this procedure. Let us see the documents required in order to get the refund. You need application form 16, which you can get it from the document section in our page. So click on the form 16 link so that you will be taken to the form 16 page directly. So this is the application for refund of tax form. Download it, print it and use it for applying. Vehicles chassis imprint, new insurance copy, PUC copy, state transfer NOC photocopy, road tax receipt as originally paid in first state where vehicle was registered earlier, police clearance certificate stating that this vehicle is not a stolen one if you are registering in another state, consent from the financier if it is hypothecated under a hire purchase, new road tax receipt photocopy as paid in the new state for getting the refund from the old state as tax paid. ID proof with new address proof as proof of migration, request letter for refund along with bank account number, address on which the check needs to be sent. New registration authority has to send CRTA intimation that vehicle is registered in the new state so that the same can be presented in the old state. New RC and Aadhaar card, 2 photograph of the applicant. You can take more if there is a requirement as per the request. FIR and inspection report in case of accident of the vehicle for which you need the refund. Let us see how to apply in person. To apply for refund of tax for vehicles in Karnataka, the applicant has to approach the RTO office for his area. Following link provides the RTO contact information for the user from the website, that is government portal for transport in Karnataka. The same link is provided in apply in person session of our page, where you can browse and click the links to reach the contact link. This will take you to the page where you will get the regional transport office addresses offices in the list. From here you can select the nearest office applicable for your area limits and go there to apply personally. As I explained, the application form 16 can be downloaded using the link directly. Please make sure you have all the documents that are listed down the required document section of this page. Application forms can also be obtained directly from the RTO office on your visit and fill it for applying. As I said, all the documents should be in hand, because missing out one document, your application stands rejected. Present the completed application form along with the documents to an officer there in the RTO office. He will check the details of the document submitted, and he will shuffle the order if it is required and mark the amount and the counter in which you need to pay. Go to the counter on your turn, pay the fees and submit these documents. Once they accept your application and receive your fees, they will do the internal processing, and verifications of the documents authenticity and vehicle related inspection if required will be carried out. If all the verifications are in place, correct, the regional transport officer concerned shall be the authority competent to sanction refund of tax after the verification and internal processing of the application. Eligibility: only in name of original owner who has initially paid the road tax will be applicable, provided that the original owner who registered the vehicle takes NOC for shifting vehicle in other state on his or her name and re-registered the vehicle in the state in his or her name. Thus, for refund of tax, the original owner name should be same as in the first state and second state. Otherwise, the refund will not be applicable. Validity: refund of tax is in process, and the validity of the claim for the refund is valid as soon as you shifted the registered vehicle to new state and registered the vehicle there in your name. Fees: RTO authorities may provide more information on fee details, but we have provided under fee section 2 links which will guide you to reach the fees page. Use these 2 links to reach the page which provides information on tax related fee details. So use them as per your choice from the options available to know the process and the amount involved in it. Processing time: the whole process will take minimum 3 months to at least a year. Officers and contacts: Commissioner for Transport and Road Safety, TTMC Building, Shantinagar, Bengaluru 27. PRO phone, fax and email are provided here for clarification of any doubts and complaints. Also, the Karnataka State Transport Department contact link provided here, which I have already explained, will help you in getting the RTO office address for your personal visit to complete this procedure. Online resources: all these links provided here will give direct link to these websites which we use so far to complete this procedure. As we understand the importance of these data in providing help in completing the procedure, we have provided these websites as links at appropriate places to save you valuable time. Other information: this also applicable even in company cases. Company gives a car to employee for usage, and later the employee might buy it from the company. Being the employee would be the second owner as per RC, the tax as originally paid by the company will not be repayable because the owner name changes. For clearance, FC is a process meant for reviewing the condition of the vehicle by the RTO authorities. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to get refund of lifetime tax in Karnataka.